working!
Look, how do you do that?
You push the button.
Oh, where it says start, okay.
Wow. Okay, I want everybody to look and smile, because I don't know if this is going to work very well if they can see me. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Ellie Knows Rocks. This is a very special trip today. We are out garnet hunting at my very favorite location, and I have a whole group of garnet hunters out with me. So thank you all so much for being part of my adventure, and let's go see what we find. Driving as per usual because, hey, that's just what is happening, and I am going on an adventure with a group of 5 people today, and I am taking them on an awesome epic hunt for garnets. Having fun driving along, admiring my brand new steering wheel cover. Plus I was totally rocking out to music that I can't share. Okay guys, let's talk just a little bit more about garnets and what you need to do to find them. When you're service collecting, it's very important to be looking for holes in the rock. You can kind of see how that just looks like a regular hole. Well, if we bring the sun around, or the rock into the sun, you can see the garnets inside there. That's one of the things that we're looking for. It takes a keen eye when you're looking at this way down here on the ground to go, I wonder if there's something in there. It's not as easy as it seems. You really have to tune your eye into what you're looking for. And hopefully this is picking up the little amounts of light that I can see in that vug right here, which is just a gas bubble. That's where the garnets form, and there's 3 of them in there. There's a big one and 2 tiny ones. And so just looking on the ground at something, you want to be paying attention to little vugs like that. So hopefully you can see those beautiful little garnets inside. This is way too funny.
Not funny.
So, well,
Totally serious.
this is science. So, explain.
Okay, so the term butt load came to a conversation, and I need to explain that a butt load is an actual measurement. It is what is left after the primary cut of lumber comes off. The remaining goes on another trailer that is the butt load.
And that's science today. This is what looking for garnets has brought me to, is I learned that a butt load is an actual real form of measurement. Yeah. So this big rock was just right here in this little area. Flipped it over and look at that guy. Look at that. Man, oh man. So I'm gonna smack this with a sledgehammer. That was a very nice break. Very clean. I'm gonna smack it again here, but probably turn off the camera just because I don't think I can hold the camera and hit it and make sure that stays on. This is a little tiny micro garnet. Okay guys, look how small this is.
Yeah.
This isn't helpful. But you see how teeny tiny it is?
Hey, little babies.
Isn't he cute?
Oh my God.
Sorry, it's there.
What is this?
What is that? That's a seam garnet. So you can get those out. Sometimes they get really big.
Over here.
But the color, you see how it shines like that?
Yeah.
That's because of the titanium in these.
Okay.
And so this whole rock is just covered with them. There's a bunch of different things. I mean, if you want the big sledgehammer that I brought, yeah, that one, you're welcome to like just smack on that. Just please make people get out of the way.
Okay.
Don't die. Look at that. Perfect little vapor phase garnet. And essentially what we're finding them in is the colluvium that's washed down from a giant layer that is way up there. So if you're lucky, you smack one open and you have beautiful faceted garnets. Okay, so everybody has been asking me more than once that, and repeating after me that this is a plastic flow that we're on. No, no, no. We are on a pyroclastic rhyolitic flow.
Piece on the plastic flow.
He found a zip tie.
You found a choya.
Oh,
Got him.
nice.
One more time for me.
Pyroclastic rhyolitic flow.
Pyroclastic rhyolitic flow.
Yes, and these are vapor, phase, almandine, and spessartine garnets.
Pyroclastic rhyolitic flow.
You're like, screw the garnet part.
I'm going with where I can succeed.
There you go.
And I got the choya, so this is big good.
Oh, did it get you good?
No, I got it. That's good.
Okay. Here's all paper stuff. I have a bunch in my bag right now.
Pyroclastic rhyolitic. Pyroclastic rhyolitic. Virtually memorized.
Hey, why is there Ika not eking? We need some Ika. He stopped eking. Dun 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 dun.
Whoa! That's cool. I'm getting good ones out of this little guy right here, so I'm still pounding on it.
Oh, wait.
Nah. There's one in here that I'm going to try to expose a little bit better. Hopefully it won't go flying down the hill. That's cool. Awesome. Yeah. So cool. Beautiful little guy. Let's see if we can get this one here. Oh, go! Funky bugs. That one was just too stuck on that one side. Almost got that guy out though. Look at that cute little guy, and there's a big one right there. And then there's this cute little guy in here, and sunshine hit him. We're gonna try to extract these out, the rest of them. There's also this one. I'm gonna try to get out of there. Good one. Look at this. Let's catch the light on those faces. That color that it has in there, that sheen, is from the aluminum and the titanium that is in this garnet. Holy crap. That is cool. Man, oh man. All right, we're gonna try extract this little guy right there. My glove back on. Let me get this out of here. Okay, closer. Closer, closer. Don't want to hurt. Be super careful when you hit. Oh, that's the bad news. A little bit. Everybody's working hard. But literally, sometimes surface collecting is absolutely amazing. Here is one reason why. I put my stuff down right there, right? But do you see what I'm looking at? Maybe, maybe not. Look, it popped out of somewhere all on its own. Is that not cool? Look at that. Heck yeah. That right there could make a pretty cool ring. I was taking a quick break from hunting for garnets. Got Dr. Pepper, a bubbly, some stringies in my pocket, and I'm headed back up the hill. But it's a beautiful day outside. It's probably a good 72 degrees, which is awesome garnet hunting weather. And we are finding stuff. Check it out. I was quite happy with my little hoard of garnets that I ended up finding. It took a lot of work. We were out here for, I don't know, approximately 6-7 hours-ish, just hunting around looking for garnets. And it is hard work. It's artisan mining. You don't just get to pick them up all over the ground. You really, really have to work for them. But some of them are stunning. They're a lot bigger than I thought they would be. Some of them are beautifully faceted, and with a little bit of cleaning up, they're gonna be great little garnets. Could make really good jewelry. Anyways, for all of these, I gave these to Manny and his clients for coming out there because this is hard work. This is a tour I was taking them on, so I wanted them to really find garnets. Plus, his client is very, very in love with garnets, so I definitely wanted him to take home more than his fair share of stuff. So I hope they have so much fun with these, and I hope they end up making amazing jewelry or display items or whatever they're going to do with them. You guys were a blast to hang out with for the day. All right, guys, I'm going to try to get these two out. A little bit difficult to see because they are ruddy looking, but we'll see what happens. Look at those hard-working miners down there. They are pounding on a rock, getting out some garnets. And they have found some awesome finds today. I'll show you what those look like. This is seriously one of the best garnets that I have seen out in this area since I've been here. I told Manny and his crew to start pounding on this rock and that they were sure to find something great, and they honestly found the best garnet of the day for sure. Well done, guys. All right, guys, that was our garnet hunting experience. I only have a minor wound on my finger. I think these guys did so much better than I did in not hurting themselves, but I hope you loved it. I think these guys did, at least that's what they told me. Otherwise, they just want me to take them off the mountain and get them down alive. So regardless, we had a great time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you all so much for watching till this point in the video. I would just like to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon supporters. It means so much to me that you guys care to go support me on that platform. And a humongous thank you to all of my subscribers here on YouTube. I am so close to 5,000, and this is all because of you guys. You're absolutely amazing, and you have no idea how much I appreciate you. So thank you again so much for all of your love and support and your comments and your likes. You guys are awesome. Keep it up, and I will keep the videos coming.